In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Discord not launching or loading on screen. First thing you want to do is launch your Tax Manager. For that, double click on your tax bar, select the option Tax Manager. Now head over to the section Processes. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Discord. After option appears, click on it. Then select the option End Task. Now try to launch the Discord. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is search for Run and launch it. Now here you'll need to type in %appdata% and click OK. This will open the File Explorer. Scroll down and find Discord folder and launch it. Inside it, you're going to find the option of cache. Delete that folder, likewise code cache and GPU cache folder. Just delete it. These are temporary files and removing them often fixes startup issues. After deleting them, close everything and try launching Discord again. It may take slightly longer to open while it regenerates files. If Discord still won't open, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Discord, click on three dots, select Uninstall, then launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website discord.com and download it for the Windows. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.